Hello good people, back again with us, Viamax.com. How are you today? We hope you are keeping well. This time we will show you how to create a free RapidGator account. First of all, we will visit the rapidgator.net site. You can register using our affiliate link. Please check the link on this video description below. Or you can find it through our website Viamax.com. Here's the way. Open www.viamax.com. Then click RapidGator menu. Scroll down and click the link to make RapidGator free account. Find and click the affiliate link. The RapidGator registration page will appear. To have the same display with this tutorial, ensure the language setting to English. Fill your email address into the form provided. Fill password form with your desired password. It is recommended that the password consists of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Re-enter the password one more time. Check the box I agree to the terms and conditions. Check the box I am not a robot. Then press the registration button. A notification will appear that authentication required, and an activation link has sent to your email. Go to your email. Find and open the email sent by rapidgator.net. Find the confirm email link, then click the link. The RapidGator page will appear. If the form's still blank, enter your email and password to each form. Then make sure the Remember Me box is checked. Click the Enter button. It will go to the RapidGator member page. Click My Account menu, select Profile to check your account. Congratulations! Now you have a free RapidGator account. To enjoy premium features, you just need to upgrade to RapidGator Premium. How to upgrade your RapidGator free account to Premium? Please see the link in this video description. That's all from us. Thank you for watching this video. Please be willing to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell button. See you again in our next video. Bye.